Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So we got another gift from our friends over at Engwe Bikes, and they are celebrating their 9th anniversary carnival. And what you can do is you can actually go on their website and spin the wheel to win 1 out of 999 prizes they're giving out. And that includes e-bikes. So if you guys are interested in winning some cool prizes or maybe a huge discount off of their products, check out their site, and I'll link that in the description below. What we're going to do is we're going to open this gift from them and see what we got inside. But guys, I encourage you to check out their bikes and their products. They make really good stuff. And guys, what we're going to do is we're going to give whatever's in the box away to a lucky subscriber. And all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel, hit that thumbs up button on the video, and also leave a comment as to why you want this Engwe swag. All right, so let's open this up and see what's inside. The first item is this carrying bag, a nice little duffel, and it's got some mesh on the other side to breathe well. And we love any small bags that we can put our gear in and that breathe really well, especially when you're out in the summer heat. All right. And the next, and I think final item in this bag, this is kind of a heavy item here. But guys, check that out. And this is a really nice material. I think this is like some sort of, oh, it's like a backpack. Wow, this is really nice. Check that out. So it's like kind of one of those really compact, it folds out to a bigger bag, kind of backpack. Cool pockets on it. You can see how to get this open. Okay, so it has Velcro on the top here. Not sure if you can see that, but there's some goodies inside. Oh, this is awesome. So we have an Engwe helmet. Really, really nice. It's got the colors, the black and the orange, which we're a huge fan of. Got some sort of pin, Engwe pin. All right, this is pretty heavy. Not really sure what this is yet. Wow. Really, really nice bike lock. Wow, that is sick. Look at that. That is really cool. Got some keys with it. And these are kind of like heavy duty zip ties and some bolts to put that on your bike frame. But really, really cool. I'm absolutely loving this. I think this is one of those kind of like the foldy locks, but this is really heavy duty. Definitely screams quality. And this could be yours. All you got to do is leave a comment as to why you want this stuff. Hit that thumbs up button, and also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That's all you need to do to enter. And guys, look at the back. Really neat. You get a nice little handle here to carry it. Again, before we go, we want to give a huge shout out to Engwe for sending this out. We really appreciate you guys. And if you guys are looking for your own swag or your own prizes or your own huge discounts, please go to the website. I'll link it in the description below and win your 1 out of 999 prizes for their 9th anniversary carnival. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, peace out.